What's important? Well, this is a random sample of some of the messages that we've been given by service users and carers. A service user said, I would like to make sure that the person who is coming to me has got good people skills. Sort of goes without saying, but perhaps it needs to be remembered. Somebody who's going to let my voice be heard, and that was said with feeling, not somebody who's going to tell me. Someone who communicates well. And this is probably the most powerful of them all. Can I trust the person who's coming through my front door? I could have some help in the room today because this is a message that's been given by someone who is here. Induction does need to be broad, but it was pointed out that some induction also needs to be highly specific. For instance, if you're working in a care setting where a particular medical condition has particular facets, particular demands, it's unhelpful not to be helped to know those at an early stage. And an example was given. If somebody has been diagnosed with epilepsy and is liable to have frequent fits, then it's unhelpful for somebody at the stage of their induction not to have some understanding of what that will be like, and to be able to ask the person what kind of care they want immediately after they've had a seizure. Whether that be to be allowed to sleep. These were just little examples that were given, but it seemed to me straightforward and worthy of note here to mention that. Another point made by the same person, it's good that the staff member at an induction stage and beyond knows who's important in my life. I use the example of one puts next of kin on a passport, and it might not be in everybody's life that next of kin as you go to accident and emergency or anywhere else is the person in whom you, yourself, on whom you rely most. But hearing from them is important. And lastly, please don't make assumptions. And I think that stands for itself. But I wondered if we could just take the word assumptions for 1 second and say, let's say we can make some assumptions as well in a positive sense. We can make the assumption that the person who is coming to induction is keen, is motivated, is eager to learn, is ready to receive high quality induction training, and is ready to take that out and to use it in a positive fashion. So if we say, please don't make assumptions about the person, let's make assumptions about the worker. And that maybe leads me to one other thing. This is about the development of quality, and today is about trying to enhance that for all of us. I hope today is about sharing models of good practice. It's our intention that the network is trying to demonstrate, model, find out about and share with you models of good practice and best practice. And if that's the case, then we want your ideas. We hope at the end of today you'll give us a fair evaluation of what you've thought. And that doesn't mean we thought it was great, it means we thought this is what you did, this is what you contributed, and this is what you could do differently next time. Something I think all of us would sign up to. And if you get to that point, then this is what we would like to be able to give you as well as you leave. A certificate which talks about your attendance today. It specifies the time you've been here, and I hope you would see it as a useful model of your participation in something which is your continuing employee development. We're delighted you've come along in numbers today. We hope this is a good day and hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you.